Welcome to Kanitta's kitchen. Today we're making Krapow.
Okay, we start with
I cut garlic.
garlic. We start with garlic. Siinä oli, I'm not sure, was it three this garlic,
Here. Then
chili,
chili.
lots of chili.
Okay.
Oh,
Then
okay. Now you're gonna fry it.
yes.
There is minced meat, Krapow
Yes.
leaves.
Krapow.
I think they are picking them next to the somewhere on the forest. Then that's oil. So that's one is I think soy oil, soybean oil.
Good. Garlic.
Mm. This is like Isan style again, Thai style.
Yes.
Taas tuo tikku pois. No onions.
No onion. Yeah, you can put it if you want.
Takes long time to warm this auto.
Yes.
We have a gas stove over there, but it's a little bit difficult to make put that inside because it's hard to use camera over there. That's why we do it with this. I have this camping stove. This gas. Meat is fresh. We just bought it today in Lotus supermarket.
yellow.
Are you using all the meat?
Yes.
It's like a little, maybe it was something about 600 grams. 600. Little bit less than 600. And it's pork meat.
Salt.
Salt.
Little bit. Black soy.
Black soy.
Little bit.
Oh, it's like syrup. That is black soy.
You see?
Hmm?
You see?
Yes. Hmm? You put everything. That's gonna be hot.
Yes.
Well, I'm glad we buy lots of soda and yogurt.
White pepper.
Okay. White paper. Did you say black pepper or white?
Black soy. White pepper.
White paper. Pepper powder. Okay.
And oh, flavour seasoning
Let me
powder.
try. Okay, there's going this one too. Eli pork flavored seasoning powder, eli sianmakuista maustetta, jauhemaustetta. Tää oli mustaa soijaa ja tää oli valkopippuria. This cow,
Krapow.
this leaf, I don't think you can find those in Finland. Tätä maustetta voi olla vaikea löytää Suomesta.
And salt. Soy.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Is it fish or normal soy?
Bean.
Hmm?
No fish. Maybe. Soy.
Yeah,
Yellow
yeah.
bean.
Thin soy sauce. A Texan Bone brand.
ด็กสมบูรณ์
Joo, tätä voi olla vaikea saada suomesta. What was his name again?
Krapow.
This leaf, Krapow. Okay, it's
Krapow.
Krapow.
Little bit.
Sugar. Yeah, sugar. Little brown sugar. It's brown sugar. Eli it's sugar cane sugar.
Now, everything ready.
Sitten vaan lähet sinne sekkaan, kun on liha paistettu. Yeah. Looking good. Maybe if you don't like greens, you can skip those greens, because I don't think you can find them in Finland.
How I make? If we don't have Krapow.
I don't. Maybe you can grow them, order seeds and grow them yourself. I don't know.
Okay. Ready.
Now it's ready.
Yes.
Only now you need.
ไข่ดาว
What kind of?
อยู่ด้วยไข่ดาว
Yeah. So Krapow needs eggs. So I don't think Finnish people have nothing to problem make it help us. Egg Krapow. Except his leaves.
No, don't worry about it. We don't need no problem.
You don't use salt in eggs.
No.
Yeah, I noticed. But I think there is lots of spices. Enough. Joo, ei ole suomalaisilla kyllä mitään ongelmia tehdä tuota. Ainut ongelma, minkä mä nyt näkisin vaan tuon lehen, mutta sehän voi tehdä ilmasta. Vähän vähemmällä chiliä suosittelen tekemään. Mikäli tykkää chilistä, niin mikäpä siinä. Ja voihan sinne panna jotakin muuta viheriä, mistä tykkää. Koirat juoksentelee eestakaisin, että ne kuulee ulkoa ääneen, niin menevät katsomaan. Yeah, looking good.
Okay.
You have rice ready?
Yes.
No. Nytkäs siinä on enää annoksen kasaus. Tuolle riisipedille. Did you order something?
Okay.
Okei, siinä on annos. Hyvältä näyttää. Sitten ei muuta kuin syömään. Okay, let's try how it tastes. Tehdään pieni testimaisto. Niin mä oon kyllä syönyt tätä ennen ja mä tiedän, että se on hyvä, mutta otetaan tuosta vähän kananmunaa. A bit egg, rice and I hope I don't get too much chili. A little bit of green. I need to show over there. Not too hot. Good. Excellent. Good. What do you say? Cool.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What we say then?
Okay. And today, finish. Next time, see you.
Yeah. Next time I'm not sure. This is coming out 22, so we are just moving in. And let's see, next video comes probably after Christmas, or we make Christmas special. Let's see. Okay, thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Chasing